Our next topic is going to be animal life cycles. We all love Lion King, and in this movie, when Simba lost his dad, Mufasa, he was very sad. And later on, he saw the image of his dad, and his dad told him to take his place in the circle of life. And that is what we are going to talk about today, which is called animal life cycles. Animals grow and change during their lives. The stages and processes that happen as an animal grows and develops is called a life cycle. Animals reproduce by having young or babies. What do we mean by reproduce? Reproduce means to make more of the same kind. The young go through different stages before they become adults and can reproduce. We will look at the life cycle of a mammal. The stages of the life cycle of a mammal are baby, young animal, and mature adult. During these three stages, different processes happen. They are growing from baby through adolescence, maturing into an adult, mating. Mating means they are now going to reproduce. The male puts the sperm into the female's body and producing or reproducing. That means they produce eggs and have babies. A mature animal can have babies of its own, and so the cycle starts again. You will do the following work in your book. You must work on your own, explain the meaning of the following words: life cycle, reproduce, and mature animal. The life cycle of a lion. The stages and processes of a life cycle. First stage, the baby. The baby lion is called a cub. The female lion protects her cubs from enemies. Cubs drink milk from their mother, which means that they are suckled by their mum. Cubs are marked with light spots. As they grow, the spots disappear. They spend their time playing and learning skills like hunting. The young animal. Cubs grow into young lions. At about 11 months, they are taught to hunt. By the age of 2 years, they can hunt and catch an impala. The mature adult. Lions are mature when they are 2 years old. Male lions begin to grow a mane. Mature lions can produce their own babies. The female lion starts to make eggs and the male lion makes sperm. The male and the female lion mate. The male lion places the sperm inside the female's body. The female becomes pregnant. After 4 months, she gives birth to her cubs. The cycle starts again. Old age and death. In the wild, lions live for about 15 years. If there is a shortage of food or water, or if there is a disease, lions can die much earlier. Death can happen at any stage in the life cycle. In any life cycle, whether it be plants or animals or humans, death can occur at any stage. Remember that. Here we have the life cycle of a lion. We have first when the adults mate, then they have a baby. The cubs grow and they become young animals. The young animals become mature adults. The adults mate and have babies, and the cycle continues. Some animals care for their young, which are most mammals. Mammals provide a lot of care for the young. The baby mammal depends on its parents for everything. The mother feeds the baby with milk. She protects the baby from other animals or enemies, and keeps it warm. Remember, not all animals are cared for by their parents. For example, if we have frogs and fish, the parents just lay the eggs and do not look after the young. Mammals are different in that they care for the young until they are able to fend for themselves. Thank you.